Are you using my pillow? Huh, baby? What is that? What is that? Literally though, I feel so dang tan. I did my self tanner last night. This is my current fave from Bondi Sands. It's just in the dark shade. Literally the best. I honestly have to sleep on a blanket so it doesn't get on my white sheets, but so worth it. Love being tan. Highly recommend Bondi Sands tanning. Can you sit? Can you show the vlog how to sit? Nope. Sort of. Okay, paw. Oh, good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. Oh, say hi. Oh, little OOTD that you guys probably can't see. But hello, this is me and the reflection. Such a beautiful day today. But really, nothing is better than these being your work clothes. I'm going to my home office, but I just feel so cozy in a hoodie and leggings, and honestly, this is when I do my best work. But now I gotta put deodorant on, and then let's go take our greens. Also, yes, this is my current vlogging camera. I know it is so dang obnoxious, but I sold my old one and I'm in the process of finding a new vlogging camera. So this is what we're working with in the interim. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually in my bathroom right now and I am just getting ready to do some content. I have to film a few TikToks and then maybe some reels. Usually on Thursdays is my really big, like heavily content day, and I like to spend the day making that content. So I will also make a YouTube video or film a YouTube video on Thursdays, but I'm doing a day in the life, so I'm actually not going to be filming a sit down video, so I probably won't do that much makeup. Honestly, all I've done so far is do some concealer, and now I'm just looking for my bronzer because I think it's just gonna be a bronzer and concealer day with minimal eye makeup. Those are my favorite days because honestly, I'm not a huge makeup person and I don't like wearing a lot of foundation. I just like to be tan and glowy. So I did my self tan last night because I knew I would be like talking on camera and stuff and doing video today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just bronzing up my face. I hope this kind of looks alright on camera. I feel like it might be fine. My skin has been like so good lately, which has been amazing. So I feel like I can wear less makeup and still feel confident while filming TikToks and on YouTube. I'm kind of ruthless when it comes to YouTube, honestly. I don't know why I feel so confident on YouTube compared to like Instagram stories and TikTok videos. I just feel like I show myself a little bit more like in a vulnerable light on YouTube. So I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just because I've been doing YouTube for way longer than TikTok and like Instagram and stuff, but I don't know. So I think this looks halfway fine, especially for camera. So this is what we're gonna go with today. So in this video, I also wanted to show you guys a little office tour. I have really kind of renovated my home office. I have brush hairs in my mouth the past like few months because it actually used to be my fiance's office, but then he moved downstairs and gave me the office, which is super nice because I could keep like all of my content and all of that like stuff, my studio stuff, in my office. I still have this brush stuff in my mouth. Okay, but yeah, so I wanted to show you guys my office because as somebody who works from home full-time, like I'm not kidding, having a good office that inspires you, especially as a creator, is so important. So I'm excited to show you guys that and give you guys all like the new updates that I want to do in the future. But yeah, super excited for that. Okay, so now I'm in my office and I have a few minutes to spare in my work day, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys around my office and share where I got things, inspiration, all of that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn you guys around and show you. Okay, so I'm standing at the door here and I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an overview for right now and then show you guys kind of all of the bits and pieces of the office. So I'll go ahead and start at this first little closet. It is basically just a coat closet. We use this for all of that stuff. I have like some of my packages for the wedding that I'm storing. I actually have my wedding dress here as well, and then a bridesmaid dress for a wedding I'm in. And then I just have my, like, it's just a mess down here. I just have a bunch of bags. I keep my purses in here, and then any extra like storage office-y items. So that is that closet. And then over here we have a little built-in desk, which is so nice. I actually used it when we first moved in, but it's just kind of small and it's like basically in the wall, as you guys can see. But we just keep like our printer, our envelopes, and just some like random wedding stuff up there. And then I also have more like office-y stuff, notebooks up here in the little storage bin. So that's so nice because we do have a lot of storage in this house, so I love that. Okay, up next, I want to warn you guys that this closet is also so messy. So yeah, we have all of our travel luggage things over here, our vacuum, and then my fiance has like some stuff over here and then like toilet paper and stuff. So I don't really venture into this closet that much, but we do keep our luggage stuff in there. So that's that. I do have a mirror there too. And then I really like this office because I do have two big windows, which is so nice for doing content and lighting and all of that. So then I move over here, and sorry, it's kind of dark. Okay, there we go. So I have my little extra like hanger for clothes. I got that off of Amazon. I will link it in the description box if you guys are interested. I keep my hats, and then also I just keep a lot of like nicer dresses on this rack, and I try to like color coordinate it, as you guys can see. And then I have some shoes and stuff down there. And then next I have my studio lights, which always come in handy for doing content, especially when it's like a rainy, dreary day. So that's so nice. I have my Cricut, I have my like heat press thing, because if you guys don't know, I own my own activewear and loungewear line. So I make a lot of that kind of stuff with the Cricut. And then down here I have these little cubbies. I actually DIY'd this whole little like table workspace. I saw a TikTok that some girl did this. She got all of her supplies off of Lowe's, and then I decided to do it. So my fiance actually screwed in this like tabletop thing. So it's a full-on workspace now. I love it so much. I use like the cubbies for books, extension cords for the studio lights, and tripod and anything like that. So that's what's there. I do have like, okay, so I keep a few packages on the workspace if I have like collaborations with any clothing companies or any type of anything, so I don't forget. I put it on the workspace, so it's kind of like in line for me to do. So for example, I have to film a swimsuit haul for my TikTok for Shein, and then I also have something from Showpo here. It's a potential bridal shower outfit, so that's not really work related, but it's just something that I need to take care of, see if I like it, try it on, things like that. And then coming over here, I have my planner for next year that I have like kind of in line of the things I need to take care of. And then I have some apparel for my clothing company here. So that's just where I stock that stuff. And then I have a beautiful, really nice, cozy gray rug, and my dog loves to sleep on this. She comes in here and takes naps and stuff when I am working. So love that. I have the best mirror ever from IKEA. Hi guys, so I have that. I love having that in here, especially when I'm doing content, trying on new outfits, everything like that. And then I have a cozy white rug that came with me from my parents' house when I moved out, so love that thing, and it just like helps make sure that the mirror doesn't scuff the floor or anything. Okay, up next I have my office area. This is where my stand-up desk is, and then my office chair. So I'll give you guys a better look at my desk. So I have like all of the essentials like lotion, whiteout, my AirPods, and sticky notes and everything like that. In this cubby, I have a photo of my friends. I have a cute little sign from Disney World that I really like. I have, oh, I need to show you guys. This is my favorite thing ever. So I also have this coffee warmer. So I turn it on in the morning and it keeps my coffee nice and warm. So I pull that out. That is also an Amazon find, so I'll definitely link that down below if you guys are interested in that. And then I have my laptop, my planner, my blue light glasses, and then also my keyboard and mouse. I love my keyboard. It is so much fun. It makes the workday a little bit more enjoyable. So this is also from Amazon, so I'll link that for you guys if you're interested. And then I cannot forget one of my favorite Amazon purchases as well. It is just this cute little jar that says wins. So I actually purchased the jar on Amazon, and then the marker that can write on this like glass, I guess. But I just keep all of my like successful wins for the whole year. So I started in January, and then when December comes, I'm gonna go ahead and look back at all the wins, because it's just nice to kind of keep track of your accomplishments being self-employed. But anyway, I do have some notebooks on this side, and then also on my wall I have this like monthly calendar. I used it a lot in the beginning when I got it, but I just haven't used it that much because I do have my planner, so I don't really use this as much, but sometime I will get back to it, of course. But yeah, that's my little office corner. And then moving along from that, I just have my little faux tree and then a really pretty gallery wall just for some like extra flair when I'm on video creating content, and just like something for the background. So I love that. I actually got the frames at Target and I ended up just printing these like pictures in black and white from Pinterest on my printer. So super easy, very like DIY of me, but I love it. Just like adds another like something to the office. But yeah, that is the whole office, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. But that is the office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. So make sure you guys subscribe because I post every single Wednesday, and give this video a like if you enjoy this type of content. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.